Are you looking for a modern and stylish way to upgrade your home interior? One of the most popular and affordable options today is the gypsum board false ceiling design. Gypsum ceilings are not only elegant but also versatile, making them a favorite choice for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even offices. The biggest advantage of a gypsum board ceiling is its smooth and flawless finish. It allows you to create stunning designs like layered ceilings, floating effects, and even integrated lighting setups. Recessed LED lights, spotlights, or cove lighting can be perfectly installed in gypsum ceilings to give your room a soft, luxurious glow. This makes the space look more spacious, cozy, and modern. Another benefit of gypsum board false ceilings is their durability and sound insulation. They help reduce noise and keep your room cooler by adding an extra layer under the roof. Gypsum is also fire-resistant, making it a safe option for homes and commercial spaces. When it comes to design, the possibilities are endless. You can choose simple straight-line patterns for a minimalistic look or go for creative curves, geometric shapes, and 3D effects for a stylish statement. Gypsum ceilings can also be painted in any color to match your walls and decor, giving your home a personalized touch.